Part 6. The explanation of the mystery was really simple enough. Why is it simple? The bewildered boys had been following a scientist who had just discovered how to make the human body transparent. Now, who is the scientist? He is our protagonist, Griffin. Griffin, the scientist, had carried out experiment after experiment to prove that the human body could become invisible. He was a scientist. He carried out his experiments quite thoroughly to prove that human body could become invisible. How? If it is transparent, then it becomes invisible. Now, later we find that not in your syllabus it is there, but in the latter part of the book, when chapter 15 came, Griffin met one of his old acquaintance, Dr. Kemp. There he narrated. He explained the way very finely. What he told? He told why you can see the things, why it is red. Because it absorbs the other colors. There are mainly 7 colors: beige, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. We see the other colors. Actually, there are 1 crore of colors, different shades. So why we can see the colors? Because the other colors are absorbed and it reflects the same thing. That's why see the color. Now what he told, we can see anything because it is opaque. He gives an example how we become invisible, how we deploy the thing. He told a glass. Glass is transparent, but we can see the glass. But whenever you can dip the glass in water, the border line where the glass is underwater appears to be invisible. The part in the water at first, but later we can see it. Why? Because though the glass is transparent, we can see the glass, but when we dip it in the water, water is a denser medium, air is the lighter medium, and water is a denser medium. So it is the optical illusion. When we dip the glass in the water, the portion in the water appears to be invisible. Appears to, not invisible, appears to be invisible. Now, later you can find that, okay, it is there. Now we take the glass out. Now we dip it in glycerin or vinegar. We can see it. Why? Because this glycerin is denser medium. So the light reflected by the glass is absorbed in the denser medium. What we find in air, very few part is absorbed. But in the vinegar, being a denser medium, it absorbed. Now we take out the glass. Break the glass. The broken piece also reflect the light, so you can see. Then we made the broken pieces into dust particles. Still you can see, because the dust glass also reflecting the light. But if we put some water on the dust, we can't see. The glass particle is not dissolved in water, but the little light it reflects is absorbed by denser medium water. Employing this theory, Griffin became invisible.